Hello guys, welcome back to Kendra and Deidre. And Deidre and Kendra, just because she's my mother, today we'll be opening up some of my presents. I opened up a little already, but I'm going to show you.
You opened quite a few.
I opened quite a few, but now I'm going to open this one. I opened the half of it because I just started, but let's get on. So here's the doll. And she's the teacher's pet, probably because she's just so smart. And here is the play.
Okay, the classroom. Okay.
Classroom. So now, let's opening up. Her shoe. We got her shoe. We got her shoes with some beside, 2 shoes with 2 socks.
Okay, so you have a pair of shoes.
And some glasses. I have some glasses for her.
Oh.
Glasses. Black.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Her outfit. So it looks like we may put on her little school cute outfit.
Okay.
Her outfit's cute. It's adorable. I've always wanted this doll. Clearly. And I have.
And as you guys can see, she has the LOL house already. She have a load of LOL dolls. Almost every LOL doll you can think about. And her bag is full of LOL dolls. Upstairs she have the containers, the pink carriers, like 3 carriers with all the small LOL dolls. She had the Glamper. She had the big version dolls. Miss Independent, like you name them, she have the big ones. Queen Bee, she just got this one. She loves LOL. She's a LOL fanatic.
So we got her dress on. Now let's get on her shoes. Here's her shoes.
So she just got back from vacation. We went on vacation in Jamaica, so we got back late last night. So she's opening some of her toys. She opened some already, and she's opening the rest now. She had some in Jamaica. She opened some in Jamaica. She has the rest. She opened some already tonight. She opened some last night already. Some upstairs, some in that bag. A lot of dolls in that bag. So she's opening these now. So she wanted to share this one. And this one is the LOL. What was this one?
Which one?
The one you're revealing.
This is Teacher's Pet.
Okay.
He is like Barney.
Okay.
I don't like Barney. So now we got her full outfit on.
Okay.
So now let's unbox the big guns. This looks like a locker.
Okay.
Oh, it's cute locker. Cute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cute locker.
So she has some furniture. Okay.
Furniture.
Okay, so that's the rug you'll find in the classroom. Okay. So the rug have the ABC, just like in the classroom. Okay. And you see the board? The teacher has maths test tomorrow. So the teacher have a note for you guys. Maths test
And
tomorrow.
a party. 2 a.m. pizza party.
Oh, 2 p.m.?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
On
That must be
Friday.
fun.
Yeah. Now I
Wow.
got this little book.
Oh, wow.
Book. I want to know.
Okay.
I wonder what else.
Oh, wow.
It's what's in here. It looks
Let's
like
see.
it's
What
a
do you think it's
coffee
gonna be?
bottle. It's a coffee bottle.
Well, I think she wouldn't be drinking coffee. She'll be drinking juice, right? Because she's a child.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna save this big one.
No, open those. You remember you're revealing, so you got to open all of them.
This is big. I wonder what's in here.
I wonder what's in there. You want to take a wild
Another
guess?
package.
Wow, so that must be a big secret. What do you think it is?
A table.
A table? You think that's a table?
Yeah.
What kind of table?
Math table.
Oh,
Where's the teacher's table?
you think so?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the shape of it. What do you think it might
A
be?
board.
Oh, well, they already have a board right there.
Another board.
Okay, let's see.
Yes.
What is it?
Another board. It's a board.
Okay.
Mick Swag was here. Who is Mick Swag? Wait.
Somebody wrote on the back of it.
Yes.
Oh, turn around the front. Let me see it. That's a child that was been rude and right on the teacher's board. Turn the front. Let me see it. Oh, so that says, let me see. Let's bring it up. Bring it up so they can see it.
I don't know any of these names.
Okay, Kendra. So you are revealing it. So come and tell them about the reveal. I'm not doing your reveal for you.
Yeah.
So on it, the teacher is teaching math. So the teacher is teaching. These are different math symbols. And this is advanced for you. So this little girl is obviously in high school, and she's learning about different math terms for high school. And here she has this is a bookshelf.
With the
So-
teacher's apple.
And it's an apple for the teacher. So this is the teacher's it's like a rolled in cart. So the teacher can have the smart board up here, and the teacher also have her books. The teacher has books on it that she can use as resources, and the teacher always take an apple, because an apple a day keeps the teacher awake. You see, so it's like a rolling desk that the teacher uses. This you can refer to it probably as a smart board, where she can connect it to her computer. So you can put that in the classroom.
Yes.
I wouldn't put it. You're putting everything to that corner. You're covering the plan. Put it to like slant it in the corner. Put it forward more in the corner.
Idea.
Go over some more. Yeah, like there. Right.
So
Okay.
Teacher's pet says there's a whole lot more for you to discover. I can't wait when you discover your new classroom.
Right. So we can already figure like she's in high school, right?
Yeah.
Based on that math.
Yeah. It's really
Because they're doing
hard.
5. Okay, open the other.
What?
What do you think is going to be in that one? Okay, open it.
Pencil.
Okay, let's see. That's possible. What's that?
Ruler. It's a ruler.
Okay, and what do you use a ruler to do?
Measure.
Okay, so we use it for measuring.
Measure.
All right, so you can put the ruler in her cubby, or you can put it on top if you want, or put it in her cubby.
Yes, because she don't have school. Yeah, because she's out of school.
Well, she's not out of school. That's her classroom.
Wait, no, she's not out of school. She's showing us
Showing her resources.
Yes, and she's showing us our new classroom.
Okay.
open.
That's open. All those are open.
Let's
Okay, open it. Let's.
I think it's just a big flat chair.
Okay.
Or the teacher's chair and desk.
Okay. Or I think it may be a desk for the student, because I don't see a desk for the student as yet. Let's see.
Okay.
We never know. We never know.
Probably.
Okay. That's the hypothesis. Let's see.
Hypothesis.
Yeah, it's a desk for the child.
And this can open.
Yeah, so she's definitely in high school. That's how those.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Look,
What?
a computer.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
that's amazing. So that's a desk. So you can put it in the middle.
Let me just take this seat, because what is it doing in a desk? The
It can-
desk is not for it to sit.
Yeah, that's for her to sit. Okay.
No, I'm saying this
No.
is not
Oh,
for
that's
it to
trash. Yeah. No, don't just put it here. Put it. You're gonna turn her around.
sit.
Turn her so she's facing the board. Turn it like that, right? So she can see.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, let me put it in her desk.
Okay.
So she will be looking and listening to what the teacher's saying.
All right. Is there anything else to reveal?
Let's see.
Was there anything else? That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
Let's take up all the trash and clean up first.
Clean up, clean up. Oops.
Everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's clean up. I like the cleaning up song. So where did that go?
Right here.
Oh. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Now time to
I
play.
think you left a little piece right there. Look, yeah, take up those little pieces. So what do you want to say to close your video out?
Thank you for the toy.
What do you want to say to
enjoyed
close your video out about your reveal?
This was the best gift ever. And I would love to teach. I would love to learn. And I would love to have so much fun learning. Because learning is good for us. And learning helps our minds to grow and helps us to get straight A's. And I am thankful for my mom too, because she is the one who paid for this gift. She's the one who takes care of me, feeds me, and helps me. So I'm real thankful for my mother. I don't know what I could do without her. I'm really thankful for her.
So guys, we want you to subscribe to our channel,
Subscribe.
like and comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to our channel, like and comment. And if you have any suggestions, any toys that you want to see us reveal or anything, just give us a comment. Leave a comment, and we'll do that. We'll try to do more toy reveals and more videos as well.
And more other videos.
Yes.
With Mary Kay too.
Yes, we sure will start doing some more Mary Kay videos as well. Thank you so much for watching our channel. This is Deidre and Kendra saying,
Yes.
have a good evening and Happy New Year.
Yes.
Stay blessed.
Stay
Bye.
blessed. Bye.